Good morning guys, in front of me is Doogee T10 and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first, open the settings, then scroll all the way down and click on About Tablet. Now you have to find build number, so it's at the bottom of the list, and tap on it 7 times. Once you do it, you will have to provide your screen lock pattern, and as you can see from now on, you're a developer. So let's go back, open System, and here developer options appeared. Click to open and now you can manage everything you need. So for example, if you wish to activate USB debugging, just mark the switcher and activate it, and it's working all the same with every feature here. Then to switch developer options off, smoothly unmark the stop switcher and it's no longer active. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.